In this session, we are going to work with some variables. When it comes to programming, we manage a lot of information. As a result, variables help us deal with that information because a variable is a memory location. I will use a short story with a few print statements to show you how we can handle and work with variables. Let's add maybe 3 print statements: print, print, and print. Now, know what? Let me add some more. Print. It's better to have more than not enough print. And maybe that's enough. Okay, now I'm going to start with double quotes and also show you how it will print with double or single quotes. Hi, my name, and I hope my typing go good this time. Hope my name is Rex and I am a software engineer. Uh-oh, it's not going good. Skill set includes, come on typing, includes programming, automation, and testing. 5 years as a functional tester and 10 years with automation. In the future, I hope to be a software engineer. I like it and don't plan to change. Let's run. We see the same story in the console. Hi, my name is Rex and I'm a software engineer. Skill set includes programming, automation, and testing, 5 years as a functional tester, and 10 years with automation. In the future, I hope to be a software engineer. That's cool, but what if 100 more people wanted to introduce themselves using this program? For example, the name changed from Rex to John. To update this program, I can manually change Rex to John. However, that would take a lot of work because the name and title will probably change. Let me show you how working with variables can make this useful and easy. We can store the information inside a variable. One way is to hard code the value, and another way is to prompt for the value. Let's start with hard coding a value. Above the story, I will write name equals James. I'm storing James inside the name container, or we can say memory location. Next is title equal to software tester. I'll change it. Let's add some more values for years of experience. Functional years equals 10. And automation years equals, let's write 20. Now we replace the values in the story with a variable. Replace John with the variable name, but I have to end the print statement with double quotes before the name variable, then add a plus before name and after name, and then start back over with the print statement. The plus signs appends the name variable. Appending a variable is like attaching the variable. It's the same. Here is the process Python will get the value from the variable, then print the value. Replace software engineer with title. And I'm going to append with the plus sign. And I'm going to go ahead and just make this here double quotes also. Now, I'm going to also change 5 to functional years. Add the plus sign and the double quotes. And 10, change that to automation years. Add the plus symbol and the double quotes. And I cannot forget to put the plus before automation years. Also, title for the last part. And that's it. So now let's run. And we see the same story, but the values change. James, 10 years, 20 years. Software tester also changed. And let me go back and add a space right here before and. But we see how the values did not, there I go. Now, we see each value changed in the console. The nice part is a value can change all the time. We don't have to type in the name every single time, but only refer to the variable in the story. That's it. Now, let me show you how to prompt for a value by writing a few print statements. Print, what is your name? Now, I have to also add an input, but replace the hard-coded value James with input. And we see here it shows prompt, because this will prompt us for a value. Add another print statement, and that will be, what is your title? Change software tester to input. Functional years. I'm going to write a print statement and say, how many years of functional testing? I'll put that. And I'm going to copy this and put the same for automation, but just change functional to automation. If I hover input, we see the description says, read a string from the standard input. There will be a prompt, and I will enter a value. The value will get stored inside the variable. In the previous session, I showed how to overwrite a value. Let's modify and overwrite title by putting in adding a blank line and putting in title equals CTO. Now let me also put in the input for the functional and automation years of experience. Now, let's run. What's your name? Joe Doe. What's your title? Scrum Master. Functional years, I'm going to put 12. 11.5 for automation. And here's the story. It reads, hi, my name is Joe Doe, and I am a Scrum Master. Skill set includes programming, automation, and testing. 12 years as a functional tester, and 11.5 years as automation, or with automation. In the future, I hope to be a CTO, Chief Technology Officer. That's it for working with variables. I want to show you how it's useful. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session. Thanks.
All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.